Yo, what's up guys? It's Josh. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube channel art. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna wanna download the channel art template right here. So it'll be the first link in the description. And then you wanna go to Pixlr, this lovely editor. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to create a new image, and then you're gonna change that to 2560 and the height 1440, and then you're going to click transparent, press OK, and then you're going to insert layer, image layer as, go to desktop, get the channel art, and then go to drawing tool and make sure it's on rectangle right here, and then just kind of go by the edge right here and do that like just so, and then like that, just to get it a nice good feel like that. And then you're gonna want to go to type tool right here, go to whatever text size you want, it's comfortable. I personally like right about there, and then download whatever text you want. I prefer this right here, crack code. If you want to get fonts, go to defonts.com. The second link in the description, so check that out. So just put your YouTube name right here, so JkJosh, and then put whatever color you want, doesn't matter, and it's by your preferences. So like right there, and then could you not? Okay, like right there, and then go okay, and then go to the move tool, go wherever you want here, and then you're gonna want to go to Instagram logo PNG. It's really important that you go to PNG. So you want to go save here, and then go to layer, open image as, and then go to downloads right here, and then you can't really want to like make it smaller, so you go to edit, free transform, and then make sure you hold shift, click and shift, and then make it as small as you want, put it right there, and then go here, yes, then go here, bam. Now you want to make this smaller because it's not gonna be very cool big. Yeah, like right there. And bring this down and put your Instagram, so right there. You can adjust the size if you want. And right there. And then, change the color up. And right there. Okay. You can do whatever else you want with Twitter or YouTube, second channel Twitch maybe, and then you can also do this, which I really like, makes it more professional. Go to layer styles, then drop shadow, so it gives it that shadow effect. You can do it like all of your layers, so layer styles, drop shadow, okay, and then layer styles, and then drop shadow. So it gives it that nice shadow background. So then you want to go to your galaxy background or whatever background, and then so you pick your galaxy background. I'm really digging, so am I digging? Let's see here. Kind of digging this one right here. So then you save image as, save, then go back here, layer, open image as layer, go right there. Now you want to go to edit, free transform, click, and make sure you hold shift right there. Okay, you can adjust wherever you want to take it, and then want to apply changes, and then bring this layer all the way down right there, keep that going. Want to bring it all the way down right here, oops, right there. So then you want to go back here and then do the same thing, just kind of give it that nice effect. right there, and then right there, so you can see like that. Alright, so then you keep it like that, and then if you want to adjust the colors right here, since you know it's blue on blue, so you go to this right here, and then you go to adjustment, hue and saturation, colorize, and then this is a nice touch because you can, you know, colorize this all, and then you go to hue, change the color up, you know, do what you want, like purple. I dig purple. Get saturation and your lightness, make it darker or lighter. So there we go, and then you want to go to file, save, and then put your thing all the way to 100, keep it a JPEG, and then okay, and then you can name it, you know, banner, whatever you want to name it, and then go save, and then you want to head over to YouTube. Okay, then you're gonna go to your channel, and you're gonna go here, select photo from your computer, select that, there you go, it'll show up right here. You can adjust the crop as much as you want, let's preview, and then select. I'm not gonna select it because I personally like that, but yeah, you can keep it like that, and then yeah, so you can add as much as you want to your channel art. Just kind of follow those steps for every single thing. So yeah, so that's how you create a YouTube channel art for Pixlr. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Hit that thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if this helped or not. Subscribe today. See you guys later. Peace out.